Hello everyone, this is Jim Okerzinski with your weekly screencast video. So here in my announcement, talk a little bit about our new discussion about discourse communities. So we'll work through the discussion boards number 2 and number 3, do a little reading, thinking through writing on those discussion board posts. We'll work off what some of the people say in those particular posts for the lecture video later this week and carry that conversation through into next week, and where we'll talk more specifically about discourse communities and what it might mean for you in this course. So this week, by Tuesday, end of day, we're looking for discussion board number 2, initial post. Here I ask you to research a little bit about the definition of a discourse community. I offer up Swale's version. Here you'll find it in Wikipedia. You might find a couple of other sources out there, one or two more, that might have a different interpretation of a discourse community. So let me know where you find some other definitions of a discourse community. Compare them, talk about the similarities, the differences. I'm looking for about 250 to 300 words on that particular post. Okay, so, and also then later in the week, discussion board number 3, which will really build off the lecture video that I will post by about, I'd say about Wednesday or into Thursday for you to be ready to write this post on Friday. Would be just to look at Swales's article. I've got the link there in the course unit. Can look at some of the sections, get a better idea of what his version or his interpretation is of a discourse community. And once again, we'll build off of this discussion for discussion boards 2 and 3. 2 is due Tuesday, 3 is due Friday. Responses are due on Sunday. So just to take you over to the course unit, remember everything is in the course orientation unit. Here I talk about the information from Swales' article here. Here is the link to Swales' article. Should just take you right to it. There you go. So you have that link there, and you can read that through. It's an easy read. It's not a really difficult academic article. So you want to make sure that you do take a look at that. Also, we're going to need probably for the next discussion board in the next week, page 9 of the Curious Researcher. Hopefully everybody's got their book by next week. I think that'll be a topic in discussion board number 4. So once again, take a look at the discourse community information that I have here. All right. Any questions or issues? Where to find everything? Remember, course orientation is where we'll find all the initial conversations about the discourse community. The 2 discussion boards are the target for this week. I've already run through those. So if you have any questions, send me an email. Good luck. Stay safe out there.